stop. If you're trying to start working and earning online, this mistake could cost you real money. What's up, besties? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about something very important, especially if you're trying to get online jobs and make money remotely. So I recently started using OpenTrain AI, which I shared the video a few days ago, and I decided to document my journey for you guys. I made a video about it, walked you through the process, showed you how it works, and I was honestly just testing the platform to see if it actually was your time. And here's the good news, I actually got my first job from it. That was a big moment for me, not just because of the money, but because it confirmed something important. Opportunities are real if you take action and move correctly. But there's one issue, my location was not showing up properly. Now, that might sound small, but it's not. When you're applying for remote work, especially on platforms like OpenTrain AI, your profile details matter. Location can affect visibility, eligibility, and even whether you're matched to certain tasks or opportunities. So it is important that the location you're starting with, you're continuing with it. Let's say you use a VPN from the beginning. Make sure you're going to continue using the VPN throughout the process, throughout your stay on that job, until you're done working with them. In my case, I had everything set up properly, or so I thought, but that one small detail created unnecessary friction. So if you're signing up, double check your location, make sure it's accurate, make sure it matches your verification details, and make sure it reflects where you're actually eligible to work. Platforms use filters, recruiters use filters, system use filters, and if your location is wrong, you might never even be seen. And believe me, that's a silent opportunity killer. The platform itself was a solid experience for me. I got real work and the real opportunity, and that matters. But you have to set yourself up correctly, and that's why I'm making this video, so you don't repeat small mistakes that slow down your progress. If you're serious about building income online, detail matter, precision matter, and positioning matters. If this kind of honest breakdown helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, because I'm documenting the real journey, not the hype. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how this affected me. I'll be showing you the job I actually got. It was a $200 job, which is about $19 to $20 per hour. So I'm going to be showing you all of that and show you what actually ruined my chances of working with them. Although I've contacted their support team, still waiting to hear back from them. I just need them to change it a little bit, but I'm going to show you every single detail in this video. But my honest review about OpenTrain AI is that they are legit and they pay. They hire people, they pay. So I'm going to be telling you how it works. Okay, we'll get in there right away. So this is their homepage. As you can see, you see recent jobs. This ones were posted on January 2026. And it's still ongoing. The budget is $120 and they're paying this amount per label. Okay, these are the jobs they have available, still ongoing, that you can tap into. This is 10 questions for AI trainers, and this is for any location. This is also for any location. They have jobs for any location which you can complete, right? But there are jobs for specific locations like UK, Canada, the US, Australia, and then they would want these locations to complete the jobs. So that was what happened to me. Let me show you guys. So I was on my own a few days ago. This job was posted on February 16th. Look, February 16th, and this video was recorded on the 17th. In the morning, I got this email: AI training job, $200. QA reviewer, image, Q&A label, answer corrections, native C to English. New job available. I was so happy. The type is classification question, answering, text generation, evaluation, and rating. I was so happy to begin to send my proposal. So how it works is you click on this link to go and submit a proposal. You're going to submit your proposal along with your price bid. Okay, this is how it works. So if you're hired, the client will then grant you access to their chosen data labeling software. The client then activates and funds the first milestone. You complete the milestone and wait for the client's approval. Upon approval, funds from the first milestone are directly transferred to your linked payout method on OpenTrain. You continue with the project in milestones like that. This milestones method ensures a secure and manageable workflow for both you and clients, okay? They give it in milestone. They wouldn't want to give it to you at once. So I got this email and then I clicked on view job, which brought me here. The budget for this job is 2,000 USD and it's paying 20 USD per hour. So since my minimum charge for now is $15, I would have used that to bid $15 because they're already giving us $20 per hour, or I can just bid for $20 per hour, right? The project is going to run from 3 to 6 months. So you can complete as many or as little as you can in milestones. This is a very good opportunity, but it is only for Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and USA. And that's the reason I've told you guys, if you're getting a VPN proxy, make sure you're using these 4 locations. If not, you're just wasting your time paying for VPN proxy. If you leave these 4 locations, you will not make any headway online. I will not lie to you. Unless the ones that requires you to completing it from any location. And the reason I wanted this job is because it's quite easy. I didn't need to take any certification for it because I already do this one, And yeah, I now look, they already had 670 proposals sent. That's one day of this job being posted, 670 proposals. Then I tried to submit a proposal. It's telling me job not available in your location. I'm like, what do you mean? I live in one of these locations. Why is this job not available in my location? I tried to contact the support. I contacted them. I'm still waiting for their response. That now takes me to the reason I'm making this video. So you need to make sure that your profile is correct. So this is my profile, and this is how much I charge for now. And look at my location, it's showing England instead of UK. It has UK flag, but it should be showing England, UK, not England. So this alone just disqualified me from that. So guys, if you're filling your profile, make sure it is up to date. Make sure it is. You make sure even if you're using VPN, you guys know how that VPN thing works. Make sure you're selecting a country, not the city or a nation under that country, because this has ruined my chances. And now I have to wait for their support team to get back to me, because I've also linked my payment details and it is UK. So why am I being put in England? So this is one of the things that you need to look into. If you're using a proxy, be sure, because I see some of you that are earning online now using proxy, which is good, and I'm happy for you guys. But make sure your location is accurate, because the only thing I have to do now is to start a new application. Use a new email to start a new application, because it took me quite some time to fill in this information. So I can start a new application because I really want to get into this platform because they are paying. All right, they are paying. I want to get into it. So that is my update for this platform. It is actually worth it. It is worth it. Can you see 200 USD? It is worth it. If you get in, it is worth it. If it needs you to take certification, I have some people in my Telegram group trying to take some certification to help them scale through in these AI training jobs. So if you need to do that, do it so that you start working. This is the fastest way to start working online, apart from those, big companies. But training AI is the easiest way now to work and earn online, all right? And you're working as a freelancer, freelance labelers only. That's what this person is hiring, freelance labelers only. You're working as a freelancer. If you know how to label images, then you're good to go. So that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. I still saved the job, waiting for their support team to get back to me. I don't know how long it will take. Although, their time is American time, which is quite different. They said they'll be back in 30 minutes, but I would have gone to bed as at the time they will be back. So I think time is conflicting the whole thing. But this is just my honest review about this platform. If it is for paying, they do. If you do it correctly, you do it the right way. My next option would be to start a new account entirely with a different email and see how it goes for me. So let me know in the comments if you're already signed up on this platform, if you've got your first job. So if you want to also look for a job in your location, let's say you want to look for a new job entirely, you're going to start by clicking on find a job. Then you select a location, search for a country, any country at all. You see my country is showing England instead of UK. That's the problem. It's showing England instead of UK. You see. Now I changed it to UK here. Can you see all the jobs that are available for people in the UK? People using UK location. But I cannot actually do them because in my profile it states England. And I don't know how they think England is not UK. You see this job again. You see. So that's why I'm saying make sure that the location you're using is accurate as it is on that your VPN proxy. This one is 4,800 USD budget, $24 per hour, and it is open for any location. Evaluation scenario writer, AI agent testing specialist. Now let me give you some actionable advice so you don't just watch this video, you actually benefit from it, right? First, treat your profile like a resume. Don't rush it. Fill it out completely. Be accurate and use professional wording because systems rank profile. Second, double check your location settings. Go back into your account today and verify that your country is correct, your region is correct. If you're using VPN, verify that it is correct and make sure it matches your payment setup. Do not assume it's correct like I did. Confirm it. Third, be proactive. Don't just sign up and wait. Apply, update your profile, improve your skills, learn what works and adjust your strategy. Fourth, document your journey like I did. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, keep track of what works and what doesn't, because that's how you improve faster than everyone else. Here's the truth. Opportunities are out there, but the people who win are the ones who move carefully and strategically. I got my first job because I took action, but I almost limited myself because I overlooked one detail. Let that be your lesson, not your regret. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and tell me if you're trying to get into remote work right now. And if you want more real breakdowns, honest reviews, and step-by-step insights into making money online the smart way, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We are building momentum here, and small details create big results. I've been creating lots of amazing content for you. So if this doesn't work for you, another topic might work for you. Just go through the channel. You might find something you love. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.